Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to locate vital record information in Alabama. To get started, visit alabamapublicrecords.org. I will put a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. On the home page, you will notice you have an alphabetized list of public record databases in Alabama. So some of these might be useful to you depending on why you're looking for vital records. For example, if you want to do a genealogy search, like a family history search, you can find a link for that. But we also created pages specifically to the most sought after records. So anything from background checks to warrant checks. And so you want to hover over other records and find the vital records tab here. And what you'll notice is you have your state resources, and then you have your county resources. Now what a lot of this is are government offices that where you can actually request a real, like, birth certificate or death certificate or whatever it is. The public can't order this. Only if you're the person that, like, as an example, birth certificate, only if you're the person it belongs to, the parent, guardian, legal representative. Those are the only people that can gain access to an actual certificate. Now, when do these documents get released into the public? When the person passes away with some time, it does get released into the public. It would be considered a public record. That's how a lot of the genealogy and family history research actually gets done, is by these vital record certificates. Now, what really is a vital record? It's just a life milestone, an event in life, like an important one, like life, birth, marriage, divorce, things like that. So if you're just looking for vital record information, now, like, there are many reasons to want this information. For example, if you're dating somebody and you want to know if they've ever been married and divorced, things like that. So there could be many reasons why people seek this information out. In that case, you can't necessarily order the actual certificates, but what you can do, what you need to realize is a lot of these events, they go through court system. Like, so if somebody goes through a divorce, they would have to see a judge. A court document is created. Court records are considered public information. Not all the time, but depending on situation, but in general, considered public information. So you're able to, I'm going to go ahead and select the court tab here. So you're able to look up some of this information just by going to the court system. And a lot of these records, for instance, in terms of death, like if you check probate court, after somebody passes away, there's an estate, there's a probate court, there's things that there are certain records that you can research to find vital record information. So that's what I'm trying to say. And there are certain things certain databases you can use on this website that can help you discover this information. Another thing to consider is using the name search on top. And what this is it's a it doesn't just access records in the state of Alabama. It gives you it accesses records from multiple states. So it gives you more of a nationwide look into somebody's public records, and also they have private databases as well. So let's say if we stay on the divorce, records of divorce, if like, as an example, somebody got a divorce in the state of Florida or maybe in Georgia, and now they moved to Alabama, you're not necessarily going to see that record if you're just searching in a particular county in Alabama or just doing a statewide search in Alabama. So if you want to have your bases covered, if you want to be more informed, it could be a great resource. Also, there's private databases, things like cell phone records, previous addresses, people they associate with, there's so many different databases, and it saves you time. It's almost instantaneous, so it's a very neat tool to add to your arsenal when it comes to researching. So once again, it's alabamapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Alabama Vital Record search. Thank you.